Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study better. First, let's lay a strong foundation for your academic success. Begin by thoroughly understanding your syllabus, noting down important topics and their respective weightage. Next, craft a realistic study timetable, dedicating specific time slots to each subject. Ensure you gather all essential study materials from textbooks to reference guides. Finally, set clear, achievable daily and weekly goals to effectively monitor your progress and stay motivated throughout your journey. Now, let's dive into techniques that truly make a difference. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with your material by taking concise notes and summarizing key concepts in your own words. Employ active recall methods, such as using flashcards or quizzing yourself, to significantly boost your memory retention. For subjects like physics, chemistry, and math, consistent problem-solving practice is absolutely crucial. A great tip is to explain challenging concepts to a friend. It really solidifies your own understanding. Effective time management and unwavering focus are your secret weapons. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times before a longer break. Actively identify and eliminate distractions like social media notifications. Create an organized, quiet study space that promotes deep concentration. Prioritize your tasks wisely, perhaps using a simple, urgent versus important matrix, to ensure you're always working on what truly matters. Finally, consistent revision and honest self-assessment are paramount for securing top marks. Make revision a regular habit, ideally reviewing all topics weekly to prevent information from fading. Solving previous year's question papers is incredibly valuable for understanding exam patterns and common question types. Use self-assessment to pinpoint your weak areas and then dedicate extra time to strengthen them. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, including sufficient sleep and good nutrition, is vital for peak mental performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.